How to replace the rubber grips on a PlayStation 3 controller. What you need to do is turn it around, remove these 5 screws, need a small screwdriver for that. With the screws undone, gently lift off the back. Just watch these buttons, they don't snag on the molding. Lift off. Kind of pull it off like that. Buttons that come off, we'll put them on later. That reveals the back. You can see the battery here. We need to remove this screw here. Screw out. That releases the circuit board. We get some play here. Next, we're going to pop out these 2 bits here. Sometimes these bits here on the motors are held on with 2 screws, one on each side, but this is on clips. So you need to push the white bits in, kind of pull back on the black ones, and lift up, as so. It's freed off. See the clips it's held on by? Do the same for the other side. Once you got one side released, you might want to put something like a screwdriver behind it just to prevent it from going back in. Once you've done both sides, you can now lift off the whole unit. Now we can see the grips. These just literally pull off. So you get a new one. Mind when you put the new one back on that they are a bit square shaped, or rectangle shaped, so make sure they line up. So it's not like this, like this. And they slide back on. Now we can reassemble. Make sure these come through properly. Squeeze in. Circuit board screw in. Just tighten up. So button 1 literally just slides in like this. That's it. For button 2, there's a little spring bit here. This needs to be on the inside, so it fits on this little groove here, like that, and just clips in. As so. There you go. Finally put the back on. Carefully not to move the buttons. Make sure the battery's in place. Then put your 5 screws on and you're done.